Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day. I'm having a great time where I find myself, and I thought it's a perfect time to bring to you guys lesson 3 of the Chi vocabulary course. Get ready as we quickly explore the days of the week and the months of the year in Chi. You can call me Yao. As you may already know, transcript of this lesson and other lessons are available at www.learnakan.com. So today's lesson is in 2 parts. We will first look at the days of the week. This lesson is not about names. But did you know that as an Ashanti, you automatically get a name from the particular day of the week that you were born? Yes, we call such names Kradin, 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 which translates into English as soul names. So it's your soul name. For example, I was born on a Thursday, and that is why I'm called Yao. So which day were you born? As we go through the names of the days of the week, we will briefly make mention of the respective male and female names that come with them. In the second part of the lesson, we will look at months of the year in Chi. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below. Now let's get down to business. We start with the days of the week. Monday. Ejuada. If you give birth to a male child on a Monday, his soul name or Kradin is Kwejo. If you are a female born on a Monday, you are Ajua. Tuesday. Ebnada. Male name here is Kwabena. And that of the female is Abna. Wednesday. Wukuada. We call Wednesday born males Kweku, and females Equia. And my day, Thursday, is Yawada. So as a man born on a Thursday, I'm called Yao. Females born on a Thursday are called Ya. Friday. Ifiada. We have Kofi, and Efia. Saturday. Memeneda. Saturday born males are called Kwame. If you are a female born on a Saturday, you are Ama. Lastly, Sunday is Kwesiada. So we have the male name as Kwesi, and the female Akosia. Please take note of how the names are spelled. People are constantly trying to be unique. For this and other unknown reasons, various versions of these very names are surfacing, especially on social media. For instance, it isn't uncommon to come by Kwejo, spelled as this, or Ajua, spelled as that. You may also come by Kwabna, spelled as, Kweku as, Ekia as, Kofi spelled as, and Efia also spelled as. It appears the QU replacement of the sound K is very popular, as Kwame is spelled by some as. Some also spell Kwesi as this or that, and Akosia as. You may choose to write these names however you please, but if it is Chi that you are writing, then you must know that the Chi alphabet doesn't include the letters Q, J, and C that you are using. Also, combining the letters P and H in Chi does not give you the sound F as you may have in English. In fact, the combination of P and H in Chi doesn't result in any usable sound. Let's move on to the second part of the lesson, months of the year in Chi. January, O, Pe, Pong, Opepong, Opepong. February, O, J, Four, Ojifour, Ojifour. March, O, Be, Nim, Obenim, Obenim. April, O, Fo, Ri, Su, Oforisu, Oforisu. May, Ko, To, Ni, Ma, Kotonima, Kotonima. June, A, Ye, Wo, Ho, Mu, Mo. Aye Mo. Aye Mo. Some also pronounce this as Aye Mobo. Aye Mobo. July, Ki, Ta, Won, Sa. Kita Won Sa. Kita Won Sa. August, O, Sa, Na, Osana, Osana. September, E, Bo, Ebo, Ebo. October, E, Hi, Ni, Me, Ehinime, Ehinime. November, O, Bu, Buo, Obubuo, Obubuo. December, O, Pe, Ni, Ma, Openima, Openima. And with this, you've successfully completed yet another lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If the lesson was useful, please subscribe to our channel for more lessons to come. You may also join us on Facebook and subscribe to our blog at www.learnakan.com. I hope to see you in our next class. Thank you.